Before we move on, I should bring this up. At the end of 2020, you all departed with one of your top AI ethics researchers, Dr. Tanet Gabru, over a paper that was critical of the technology. What can you say, or can you explain the company's decision? Because it did face some backlash within the AI community.
I said at that time, and I still feel it today, it was a painful moment for Google. We deeply care about our work on AI ethics, and if anything, I viewed it as a learning moment. As a company, we are committing to more work in this area. We are bringing together many teams which are working in different parts of the company to form a bigger responsible AI team, and we are going to be adding a lot more people over the next many years. But Dr. Gabru did pioneering work in these areas, and it's important to me that we are able to continue that work forward and learn from the experience.